Okay, Helga here, and this is Helga with Helga's World. Oh no, mini horse is running away! Our mini horse! There she is. There's our other mini horse!
They're boys.
Yeah, they're boys, but they're not girls. Jet! Jetwowski! See? Aren't our mini horses cool?
Come here, mini horses. Come here, Jet. There he comes.
This is Jetwowski. He's looking good. He's looking good. Jetwowski!
Come here, buddy. He's working out on that. How does Jet like that stuff? Jet. Here they are.
The mini horses.
There's Klaus. There's Jet. Stop, Jet, watch.
Okay, well, we have to go now. Goodbye.